Every day, you make a powerful choice: what you put on your plate. You eat every single day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks in between. But what if I told you that some of the foods in your kitchen are slowly increasing inflammation, raising your blood pressure, and pushing you toward diabetes, while others are quietly protecting your heart, your brain, and your future? Some foods heal, energize, and protect you, acting as gentle medicine for your body. Think fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, and wholesome grains. Others, highly processed foods, can slowly drain your energy and harm your health. These foods are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and unpronounceable ingredients. With every meal, you stand at a fork in the road. One path leads to vitality, the other to fatigue and disease. The amazing thing? You're in control. This isn't about guilt, it's about empowerment. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish yourself and invest in your future. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start with one small, better choice at a time. See food as more than fuel. It's information for your body. Every bite sends a message to your cells. Are you telling your body to thrive, repair, and be strong? Or are you sending signals that create stress and breakdown? The power is truly on your plate. Food isn't just fuel, it's information. It tells your body whether to heal or to break down. What message will you send today? Your health story starts with your next meal. Choose wisely. Here's the real question: is what you're eating healing you or harming you? If someone looked inside your body today, at your arteries, your liver, your pancreas, would they see strength or silent damage? We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat." But what does that really mean? Ask yourself, does your food heal you or harm you? Think about your last meal. Did it energize you or leave you sluggish? Imagine your arteries and gut. Are they thriving or struggling? The food you eat literally builds your internal landscape. Your body does its best with what you provide. Those afternoon slumps, brain fog, and aches aren't random. They're signals. Your body is asking for better building blocks. If your internal picture isn't vibrant, don't be discouraged. This is your starting point. You have the power to change that picture, one meal at a time. Choose to be a friend to your body. Nourish it with what it truly needs. The journey to a healthier you begins with your next bite. Start now. Many foods today are factory-made, not farm-grown. Ultra-processed foods, sugary cereals, packaged snacks, fizzy drinks are engineered to be irresistible. But their pleasure comes at a cost. Regularly eating them floods your body with sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. This leads to blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, and heart risks. These foods are stripped of nutrients, leaving you undernourished despite high calories. Your gut suffers, good bacteria starve, and inflammation rises. The damage is slow and sneaky. One meal won't hurt, but habits add up. Chronic inflammation from poor diet is a root cause of many diseases. From joint pain to brain fog, the source is often your plate. These aren't just empty calories, they actively work against your health. Choose real food to break the cycle. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about healing. Simple foods: oatmeal instead of sugary cereal, grilled salmon instead of fried chicken, brown rice instead of white rice, spinach and kale instead of iceberg lettuce, water instead of soda. Fiber feeds your gut bacteria. Omega-3s reduce inflammation. Leafy greens support blood pressure. Beans stabilize blood sugar. Small swaps, big impact. Another popular saying says, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." There is truth in that, when we choose wisely. Here's the good news: real, whole foods can heal and protect. Think a rainbow of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. These foods are simple, nourishing, and packed with nutrients. Leafy greens calm and detoxify, berries shield your cells, healthy fats support your brain. Fiber, found in plants and grains, feeds your good gut bacteria and stabilizes energy. A healthy gut boosts immunity, mood, and disease resistance. Eating real food is self-care, building a strong foundation for health. When you're well-nourished, you feel it. More energy, clearer thinking, greater resilience. This isn't about restriction, it's about abundance. Celebrate delicious, real food and the benefits it brings. Every meal is a chance to heal. Choose foods that help you thrive. Your body is designed to flourish with the right fuel. Make every bite count. Real food, real results. Start today. Think of your health like a bank account. Every meal is a deposit or a withdrawal. Nourishing foods, salads, fish, nuts, are deposits, building your health reserves. These deposits create resilience and help you bounce back from stress or illness. Sugary, greasy, processed foods are withdrawals, depleting your health account. Occasional withdrawals are fine, but too many lead to health debt, fatigue, aches, and disease. The goal isn't perfection, but conscious investing. Make more deposits than withdrawals each day. Every healthy choice adds to your balance. Over time, these choices pay off with energy and well-being. Your health is your greatest asset. Invest wisely, and the returns are priceless. Start building your health wealth now. Knowing is one thing, doing is another. Start small. Focus on one meal, like breakfast. Swap sugary cereal for porridge with berries or eggs with whole grain toast. This one change sets a positive tone for your day. Next, swap sugary drinks for water or herbal tea. Add lemon, mint, or berries for flavor. Small changes add up to big results. Focus on adding good foods, not just removing bad ones. Add a side salad, extra veggies, or a piece of fruit to your meals. Food as medicine doesn't mean throwing away your prescriptions. It doesn't mean food magically cures everything. It means this. The right foods lower inflammation. They balance blood sugar. They improve cholesterol. They support your immune system. Medication treats disease. Nutrition influences whether disease develops in the first place. That's powerful. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Pick one small swap and start today. Every step forward counts. Your action plan begins now. Picture yourself in 10 or 20 years, vibrant and active, or held back by poor health? The choices you make today shape that future. Every nourishing meal is a gift to your future self. You're investing in your energy, clarity, and independence. Health is about quality of life and freedom. Don't aim for perfection. Focus on small, consistent steps. Drink water instead of soda. Choose fruit over biscuits. Cook one more meal at home. Each action is a vote for the future you want. The ripple effect builds momentum. Remember the power you hold. Healing starts on your plate. Start today with one small choice. Your health is your greatest treasure. Protect and nurture it. A healthier you is a happier you, for all your tomorrows. You can do this. Your body is the only place you have to live. Food can slowly damage it, or quietly strengthen it. The question is, what are you choosing today? If this video helped you rethink your plate, please like, subscribe, and share this channel for more Body Bucks investment strategies to build long-term health wealth. Because prevention isn't expensive. Ignoring it is. I'll see you in the next video.